We met His Excellency the President about the issue of Apaa now 24 times. In case of any attack, anything, the President would call us. We would go to State House. He comes here. He moves to Apaa. We discussed 24 times the issue of Apaa. We presented the issue of Apaa now 36 times on the floor of Parliament. This is an indication that the government has no goodwill at all of ending the problems that are in Apaa. No wonder my colleague stated, government should be very clear and tell us what is there in Apaa. Our technical people, the scientists, they inform us, the leaders from Acholi, that in Apaa we have very many rich minerals like oil, gold, copper. They are all in Apaa. What is going on now, we are now confirming that the government wants to chase away people from Apaa by hiding the community so that we are kept in the dark. We are not supposed to know what is underneath because the government has interest on that land.
Because now tension is too high, and that's the area where they are passing to go and kill each other. The Madi pass there, the Acholi pass there while going. So now we are going to stop them from moving so that we first deal with the ring leaders. Once we have dealt with the ring leaders, we hope the people don't have a problem. People are being misled by some of us leaders who have interest. Actually, you need to dig deep into this. Some of the leaders have interest in grabbing land, so they are using the population to fight for them. A number of people have surveyed land. Yes, we have stopped them, but now they are using the common person to fight for them, to make sure that once they have chased away any other person, now they bring surveyors, they start surveying. So it's a complicated matter.
I want to inform you that Uganda Habitat has come to Ajumani district to provide land titles to people. They have provided we have 9 sub-counties and 2 town councils, making 11. They have been beat that. So that is where the fight is. It's demarcating and providing land titles to 8 sub-counties. So now they have embarked to serve the sub-county of Okusi John. Okusi John is the far end as you go to Obongi. It faces Obongi and comes to attach Itirikwa sub-county where Zoka and Apaa is. So as these people were coming to sensitize the community of what they are going to do as far as land titling is concerned, I think wrong information passed to some people on this side that those people are coming to title the land, now we shall have no land. No, this fight right now which is occurring is in that place. People are saying, oh, now if they have started land titling, that means they will grab all our land. And so the mobilization which is done in Amuru district is to make sure that the land titling is not.
The whole of 2024, Apaa was peaceful. Apaa was peaceful until signals started coming in 2025 in February. That's when signals started coming up. There could be isolated incidents that could come up, but you could not bring it to this magnitude as of now. 2024 was fairly peaceful. It is of the height at which it reached to the maximum was on 2017.
All these killings that are going on, government of this country is aware. Our brothers from Germany and sisters from Germany, they were complaining that yesterday one person was killed who comes from Germany. They talk as if they are crazy people. They talk as if they don't belong to this country. I would like to assure our brothers from Mali, let them know that on the 19th of June 2017, 34 Acholi people were killed using bows, arrows, and spears from the people so-called coming from Mali. So why are they pretending? Not only that, on the 11th of September 2023, 4 people were killed and their bodies were taken and dumped in one of the health centers in Germany. I went and collected the bodies myself, right from Germany, using one of our old veterans ambulance. So the number of people, the number of Acholi people that were killed in Apaa is now more than 200 people that were killed in Apaa. And I've seen our brothers from West Nile, led by their chairperson, Honorable West Nile Parliamentary Forum, Honorable Feta, yesterday claiming that one person was killed. They were talking all those kind of rubbish. And I would like to tell my brothers and sisters from West Nile, the members of parliament, we should avoid being tribalistic. The direction you are towering, the direction you are taking, you are leading this country into a terrible problem. The level Uganda have reached has now passed the level of being tribalistic. The issues of calling, of saying that the Acholis are killing the Maris or the people of West Nile, that is being bogus. What is happening now is the conflict in Apaa. The people who are in Apaa are fighting among themselves on the knowledge of government. The government is aware, and some of this killing is being cooked by the government, by the people within the military. Purposely, they don't want people to be there in Apaa. And I laid the evidence that time before the president. There are other people who were UPDF by then. They were dressing in civilian clothing, carrying bows, spears, and pangas coming from the side of Germany, pretending that they are civilians. They were the one who participated in killing the 34 people in 2017. I gave the list to the president. So please, my brothers and sisters from West Nile, let us stop being tribalistic on the issue of Apaa.